What is your take on what's going on right now?
Well, I look at it as, as a diversionary tactic, as I said, to let the people in the meantime forget about the ghost projects, about the flood control anomalies. So divert it to the secret decision, which there is no secret decision. The secret decision is just, yung bukang bibig lang ni Ombudsman Remulla. But I would advise Ombudsman Remulla, if you are listening, you work. Stop conducting press conferences almost every day because you will never know what is really happening in the office of the Ombudsman. Biro mo hindi mo alam anong proseso sa isang kaso. Kaya kung minsan nagmumukhang tanga yung Ombudsman. Kaya kung wala kang gagawin, press con ka na mag-press con, wala ka talaga malalaman sa Ombudsman.